What if the secret to success isn't just hard work, but strategic presence? We're conditioned to believe that tireless effort alone guarantees recognition, but that's a dangerous oversimplification. Mastery without visibility is like a foundation without a house, essential yet unseen. Your value is proven by presence, but recognized by absence. Consider a mountain spring. It provides constant vital water, but its true indispensability is only felt during a drought. Are you a silent spring in your own life? A young, dedicated factory worker learned this from his aging mentor. The elder's advice was simple yet profound. Become so uniquely skilled that you are the undeniable solution. The apprentice internalized this. For years, he worked with silent excellence, eventually stepping into his teacher's role. His expertise was unparalleled, yet he remained overlooked, watching others climb past him. He confessed his frustration to his mentor. "I've achieved the mastery you spoke of. My work is flawless. So why does my position remain unchanged?" The old man asked a pivotal question. "Does your workplace truly feel your importance?" The younger man insisted it did. "Then demonstrate it," the sage suggested. "Be absent for one day." The effect was immediate and chaotic. Without him, production stumbled. His critical role, once invisible, became undeniable. A promotion swiftly followed. He believed he had unlocked the ultimate strategy, and he began to overuse it. Any perceived slight was met with a strategic disappearance. It worked until the day he was permanently locked out. He stood before the factory gates, access denied. He was fired. Heartbroken and confused, he returned to his teacher. "I used your wisdom. Why was I let go?" The mentor looked at him with pity. "You mastered the first chapter but ignored the conclusion." The younger man was speechless. The conclusion? "A reliable foundation is priceless," the wise one stated, "but one that constantly crumbles will be rebuilt." This truth echoes in our personal lives. We often overlook the steadfast people around us, appreciating them only in their absence. Don't wait for that lesson. Express gratitude today. And remember, your goal is to be both indispensable and dependable. That is the true equilibrium. If this story gave you clarity, please like this video and follow Winds of Thought for more.